All right, everyone, happy Thursday. It is time for Make It at Home. In your kit that you can pick up in the Yaz, you have the directions on the bag and one bottle that is 2/3 full of baby oil, one container of iridescent glitter, about a teaspoon or so of white paint in its own container, and a full package of antacid tablets. This one's already open. You will also need about a cup of water, and if you want, you can add food coloring, but that's completely optional. So to get started, you can set your oil bottle aside, and you want to mix the white paint with the water until it's milky. So I'm just going to pour some water in this container, and you guys can do that as well. I'm going to leave a little bit of space at the top. And I'm just going to shake it. You guys can use a spoon or a paintbrush, whatever. It's not obviously watertight, so consider that when you are doing this. But you really want to get the paint mixed pretty well. So obviously we're looking for a pretty well mixed concoction here. And when it's all mixed, you're going to add it to the bottle that already has the oil in it. A funnel is handy in this situation. If you don't have one, you can make one using tinfoil or wax paper. Regular paper won't do as well because obviously it'll get wet, so think about that. Okay. And it's kind of hard to see from this angle. Let's turn it. So you've got the water and paint mixture at the bottom, and obviously a little bit of it is still in the oil. It's kind of like a lava lamp sort of situation. And then once that's in there, you can go ahead and add your glitter. You can also add your food coloring at this point if you want to. The glitter will sit on top of the water at first, but eventually it will sink. All right. You can kind of tap the bottle a little bit. And ideally you want to wait for it all to settle at the bottom. But for the sake of time and your attention span, I'm going to go ahead and do the next part, which is opening the antacid tablets. And you want to break the whole tablet into 3 or 4 different pieces. So they look like this. And we're just going to go ahead and break it. And add one at a time to see your Snowstorm in a bottle. you go. Just a fun, easy science experiment. You've got the oil and water not mixing. You've got the citric acid and sodium bicarbonate of the antacid tablet reacting with the water, making the fizzing snowstorm in a bottle. And the cool thing about this is, as long as you have antacid tablets available, you can keep doing it over and over again.